So hey, what's up guys, Najib back here with another video. So today's video is a totally freaked video about the OnePlus 7T, the birth of new generation premium mid-range smartphone born from their parents of OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7. So guys, without any further ado, let's get right into the video and let's check out how this OnePlus 7T is born. Okay, so first of all, I would very much like to thank this scientific calculator from Casio. So it's Casio, right? Sorry, it's Orpad. Don't know this company name, never heard of it. Oh shit! Oh shit! So anyways, thanks for this calculator, I have made this video very much possible and made it today. So anyways, so leaving that aside, so OnePlus 7 Pro is OnePlus 7T is born. Sorry for the Pro and T. So anyway, so how OnePlus 7T is a crucial part in the smartphone industry and why OnePlus 7T has got some of the things leveled up for the other smartphone companies to bring changes in this world, in a smartphone area of course. So first of all, talking about the thing. So as you all know that 7T has been launched, OnePlus 7T has been launched just last week, and it's a very much Frankenstein between two phones, that is the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7. Yeah, OnePlus 7 means you are getting all the premium things of OnePlus 7 Pro and keeping that same baseline of OnePlus 7, collaborating, making a phone that is more suitable for the customers who want some higher specs of a premium phone, but they need to keep their budget also tight for their pocket. Yeah, I don't have any much money for that. Anyways, so there are certain things that need to be cleared out in this video. First of all, the price. So the price is around $599, or you could say $600, and you have to pay tax if you're outside something or whatever the thing, and it will come around $614, whatever. So the basic price is $600 for the OnePlus 7T. It's not 7T, it's 7T. Not too much space, but it's 7T. So, and one more thing is that the display. So you are getting that OLED tech, but not that 1440p panel. You are getting a 1080p panel with super bright, that is the brightness goes up to 1000 nit with the outdoor visibility. Good, I mean not actually good, it's more than good, you could say. You could say that it's the quality is between the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. And coming to the display part, once again you are getting a teardrop notch, not the full bezel, where you are getting a bottom firing speaker of OnePlus 7 Pro in that teardrop notch, and you are getting a good speaker, bottom firing speaker of OnePlus 7, which is actually pretty much louder than the OnePlus 7 Pro, or you could say it's a little bit mixed and made some higher complex amplitude speaker. Like bottom firing segment, you could get a surrounding sound experience with a Dolby Atmos, whatever the tech inside for the sound thing. Okay, so in case I haven't talked about the thickness, so basically OnePlus 7T will having a little bit thick bezels like the OnePlus 7 and not like the OnePlus 7 Pro. So here is like a comparative. I have said that they are bringing the Pro display thing on this OnePlus 7T, but keeping the baseline, that means the bezel thing of the notch of OnePlus 7, keeping that base thing, means base premium, making a 7T phone. So it's a mid-range premium phones they're talking about. So nowadays phones are actually lower premium, mid-range and premium phones. Now OnePlus have talked about this and took a decision about how they are going to make a mid-range premium phone, premium mid-range combined mid-range premium phone. So yeah, so here it is. The OnePlus 7T is a fruitness of those two combination. And one more thing is that OnePlus 7's charging battery, I think, has been increased, leveled up quite a bit, but also you're getting that good amount of specification on a sheet of paper and putting that thing on OnePlus 7T. And yeah, it's basically a fast. You're getting a 90 Hz display refresh rate, of course, and that is quite good. Not quite, it's refreshing. The cheapest smartphone in the whole world which is getting a 90 Hz refresh rate display at this $599 price point, or you could say $600. And one more thing is that the charging sorry for the pause for the charging, and now resuming about it, that you're getting a warp charge 30T. Yeah, now they are calling 30T, means the charging technology is now 23 for 3 fast on OnePlus 7T than the OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7. So you're getting 0 to 70% in just under 20 minutes. That's a crazy fast technology than a warp, Snapdragon, quick charge, whatever. So this is terrific improvement on the OnePlus 7T. So they're actually keeping this premium tech of a smartphone, which actually makes sense, and keeping the baseline of a mid-range phone. So sandwiching it between, and they're taking this thing here, and they have done it this thing. So OnePlus 7, and forgot at the end. So OnePlus 7T has not got a shiny and not as well as a matte back. They have got a satin black, or say satin back, you could say, means it's not either glossy too much or not either matte too much. You could say 50% fingerprint magnet and not 50% fingerprint magnet. So not too much shiny, not too much matte black, everything like that. So anyways, 90 should be everywhere nowadays, so I much prefer that. So anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. If you don't, there is a comment, give your constructive comments, and I will keep on improving that video. So it's Nazi from India, just signing out. Till then, keep calm and have